caused us to be alive at this time. You designed each of us for a high purpose. You designed us. You redeemed us. You're transforming us. We're being transfigured and transformed in your likeness. Rise up, O Lord. Rise up in us. Holy Shepherd, we know you walk beside us. Help us to be quick every day to sense your presence. Quicken us to sense and know your presence. We choose to walk close to you. We choose to lay our lives down before you. We lay our lives down before you. We ask that you would enable us to grow in holy wisdom and purity of heart and loving kindness. We ask that you would cause our faith to grow, believing you for all things whatsoever you desire to do, even those things which are impossible, except that you undertake. Grant us that faith. Grant us faith to believe you for that which is not. Grant us to believe you that you're the God who calls those things which are not as though they are, in us and through us. Lord, we ask that you would deliver us day by day from the powers of darkness, but instead that your light would manifest through us, driving out the darkness. Deliver us, O God, from any infirmity or affliction that would rob us of the time and the opportunity to glorify you. Grant us grace to persevere through every door that you open before us. We ask that you would plant in all of our hearts an abiding love, even your love, for every person you bring across our paths. We ask that you would grant us grace, enabling us to lay our lives down, dying to self and living to you, preferring your will to ours. Grant us grace to learn all that you would teach us every day. We speak blessing over every family and every team represented here. Blessing. We declare every family and every team represented here to be blessed. We say, blessed are you. Blessed are you. Grant to every family and every team unity and a holy, joyful partnering in the work that you've called us to.